Are you tired of juggling spreadsheets, ChatGPT prompts, and endless files just to manage your clients' social media and branding? What if you could organize everything from brand strategy to content calendar in one single dashboard, and that too on automation? Welcome to DigitalDashAi, where agencies manage brands like Fortune 500 companies. Let's start by creating a brand inside the DDA app. This is your workspace, your brand's entire marketing ecosystem in one place. Inside the Creatives page, you can organize all your social media posts, their topic, idea, copy, and visuals. Whether you manage one brand or 10, everything stays structured and shareable with your team, and you can get all these details from the Prompts page. Next, let's go to the Prompts page, your personal idea engine. Just fill in your brand details, like your audience, tone, and goals. DDA instantly generates 10 ChatGPT prompts that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT to get powerful content ideas, captions, and copywriting suggestions. Then, simply paste those results back into your Creatives page. Ready to design or schedule. And if you want the prompts to be different, then just tweak the details on the Prompts page. Copy ChatGPT response and paste in the Creatives pages. You can also add your team members. You can add graphic designers so that they can start creating. You can add managers so that they can approve internally before sending to client for approval. You can add your clients so that they can give final approvals or comment on changes to be made, so that everyone collaborates directly inside the app. Everyone stays on the same page, literally. Same page, literally. And that's not all. The DDA app is built around the same framework used by Fortune 500 companies for their social media marketing. By filling out these pages, your strategy, buyer persona, competitors, voice and tone, content bucket, hashtags, and brand book, you're building your brand's entire content intelligence system. No more scattered notes. No more confusion. Just one organized workspace for content, ideas, and strategy, ready to help you grow faster. Start your 7-day free trial today at app.digitaldashi.com and build your next brand like a Fortune 500 company. DigitalDashAi. Organize, create, scale.